Hey everyone, so today I will be reviewing and I will be telling you why quizzaron1.com is a scam. So, unang-una pumunta muna tayo sa detailed review. So, nag-research ako about sa website nila and yung data nung owner nung website is redacted or hindi siya nakikita kapag sinearch mo sa Whois. Whois is a website where kapag chinek mo yung IP or yung link, makikita mo kung sino yung owner ng link na yun. But unfortunately, naka-redacted sila for privacy. Kahit anong research natin, hindi natin malaman kung sino yung gumawa. But nalaman natin na yung state niya is sa Guangdong, yung country is China, pero yung country code is, I don't know what this is. Yung email and registrant name nila is wala. It's all redacted for privacy. Yung website data, ito yung website data. Yung owner nila, yun nga, hindi nga alam. Yung administrator is wala din, pati yung technical contact nila, wala din. Yung register nila, ito yung data, Chengdu West Dimensional Digital. Ayan na ID 1556, register, website, west236.com, and ito yung email, pati phone. And that's all. It's a super sketchy website kasi website nila, kiniklaim nila na if you take quizzes, you earn like $200, which is too good to be true. Kasi wala kang mahanap na work na pipindot-pindot ka lang ba eh. Is magkakaroon ka na agad ng 11K in just a day. In just a day, okay? And second is yung recent payment notifications nila, which looks like this. Alam nyo guys, yung sa Roblox na free Robux websites, ganyan na ganyan yung lumalabas. So, it's pretty obvious. And yung sa user base and payout claims, kiniklaim nila na over 20 million user. 20 million user yun. Nakapag-withdraw ng $500,000 without any verifiable evidence, which is super suspicious. And yun nga, yung lack of detailed information about how the process works, sino nagrara ng site, and paano nila na-afford yung ganun karaming pera na pinapa-payout nila. So, ayun. Tas ito pa, yung domain name nila, which is yung sa website, sobrang recent lang. Almost less than 6 months. Yung owner ngayon na associated sa website is hidden. Tapos yung expectancy domain nila is 1 year. So, siguro in 2025 magsasara na yung website, which is great. So, people wouldn't fuck with this. And yun nga, the trust score sa mga website like Scam Advisor is very low, which means na it's not safe. It's not a safe website. It probably runs like a trafficking thing, which actually nagmamay ng data sa device mo. And I'll show you guys what happens. Chatbot mismo. Meron siyang website, meron din siyang Telegram chatbot, but I do not recommend actually going in here. Tapos pupunta tayo dito, which is Quizzaron1bot. Guys, actually, hindi ko lang alam paano mag-report ng user, pero I hope they do. They do have that feature on Telegram, which is, hintayin lang natin mag-load to. So, ito yung lalabas. Diba may start quiz, tapos magsasagot ka dyan ng quiz. Diba nakita nyo, napakabagal ng nila, ng host nila. Ito yung lumalabas na notif. Diba, $700? Girl. So, ayan, makikita mo yung grade. And ako yung user niyan. So, punta tayo sa user area. So, ayan, makikita nyo meron akong 200k coins. Sinayang ko yung siguro almost an hour and 30 minutes para malaman. And syempre, para magawan ko ng content kung legit ba to. So, ayun nga. Ayan na, meron akong $200. Meron akong 11k in just an hour. Diba? Parang, wow! Wow! Ang galing. So, ayan, i-withdraw natin. Ayan na, transfer money. Sinet ko siya sa PayPal, kunwari. Tapos, ayan, pindutin natin. Pindutin natin yung transfer. Okay. So, it said that kailangan natin ng 20 referral. Which is actually, guys, ayoko nung ganito and hindi ko na siya ginawa. Kasi, nung nag-research ako, may nakita ko na na-complete niya na lahat, pero for almost 1 year, kasi ang sinasabi is 30 to 60 days is dadating na yung pera, pero walang nangyari after a year. So, that just proves na wala talaga. And pag nag-search ka ng payout sa Quizzeran, kahit i-search mo sa TikTok or websites, wala pang nakakapag-proof na may payout sila. So yeah, I just stay away from this stuff, guys. Lalo na yung mga nagpo-post ng mga referral links sa Facebook groups na naghahanap ng job na gusto mo bang kumita ng la without registration. That shit's not real.